Rising from the sands of Egypt, the Great Pyramid of Giza stands as one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Built over 4,500 years ago during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu, this colossal structure was constructed as a tomb to secure his passage into the afterlife. The pyramid's architectural precision remains a mystery. It originally stood at 146 meters tall, its limestone casing shining under the sun. Today, the structure is slightly shorter due to erosion, yet it continues to awe visitors with its immense scale and alignment. Each of its estimated 2.3 million stone blocks weighs between 2.5 and 15 tons, an engineering feat that has left experts puzzled. How did ancient Egyptians, without modern machinery, manage to construct such a masterpiece? Located on the Giza Plateau near Cairo, the pyramid is part of a larger complex, including the Sphinx and smaller pyramids for queens. The Great Pyramid's interior is equally intriguing, with a network of chambers, including the King's Chamber, Queen's Chamber, and mysterious passageways. Historians and archaeologists continue to explore its secrets. Was it purely a tomb, or did it serve a higher, symbolic purpose? Some theories suggest its construction involved advanced knowledge of astronomy, mathematics, and even tools lost to time. The Great Pyramid of Giza isn't just an ancient monument, it's a testament to the brilliance and determination of the human spirit. It invites us to marvel at the achievements of the past and inspires us to continue exploring the mysteries of our world. Every stone, every angle, and every shadow tells a story, making the Pyramid of Giza a timeless wonder and a true icon of human civilization.